Restaurax renews and restores plastic surfaces like bumpers, dashboards, and door panels. Designed for those who want to restore plastic parts of vehicle and keep them look like new. Its formula contains special polymers that also protect parts against weathering, enhance gloss, and prevent premature material degradation. Easy to apply, does not attract dust. Restaurax Plastic Restore by Vonixx was developed for those who want to restore plastic parts of the vehicle and keep them look like new. Clean the surface and then apply the product using the foam applicator until full restoration. If necessary, repeat the application. To keep the plastic surface look like new, reapply the product every 60 days on the exterior surface and every 6 months on the interior surface. For a lower gloss finish, buff the surface with a microfiber towel. Restaurax can also be used on truck bed cover. We don't recommend using the product on leather.